Hey everybody, welcome back to Jay's Car Channel. In this video, I'm going to be restoring some headlights on a 2011 Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. Let's take the camera in. You can see these are really dirty and dingy and have a lot of buildup on them. I'm going to be using Mother's Mag and aluminum polish and a cordless drill. I've done some other videos on this, but this one I'm going to try to make a lot shorter than the others. So here we go with the first step. I'm going to clean the headlight with rinseless wash, diluted 30-to-1, and a microfiber towel. Second step, I'm going to clay the surface using rinseless wash and a clay bar. Now the third step is to apply your Mother's Mag and aluminum polish to the surface. Apply the remaining polish to the pad. Take the pad, go across the surface, and pick up the polish at a slow speed so you won't sling the polish. Once you've done that, it's time to start polishing. When I'm polishing headlights, I try to do a crosshatch pattern. I go left to right and up and down. You don't ever want to let the pad stay in one spot for very long because you can burn the plastic. The nibs on this headlight were really difficult to get around, so I went with a second pass on the lower section. Now it's time to remove the polish with a microfiber towel. As you can see, this headlight looks a lot better. So I'm going to take the camera in so you can see it closer. There's still some imperfections in the light. It's not perfect by any means, but for one pass, it's a huge improvement. And so to keep it nice, I'm gonna probably apply a ceramic coating. But for this video, I'm done, and hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks, and see you on the next one.